Hey girl boss, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a sticky menu so when you scroll the menu stays on top. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create a blank page, and we're going to bring this all canvas, create a new canvas, and we're going to bring this canvas all the way up, and then we're going to just add our elements. We're going to add a hamburger menu. And we're going to add our logo. And then we're going to add a rectangle. And we're going to bring it under. Change this color. And we can make the rectangle any kind of shape. I want mine to be really round. And then we're going to add another canvas. Oh, matter of fact, no. We're going to stack this canvas so it can be 10, so it can be above everything else, all of the other canvases. And then we're going to make the sticky top on scroll so it stays on top. And then we're going to just add in our other section. So this section, copy this section and paste it. So it just goes right on top. So let's see how that looks. Okay. And then if you want to, when you go to, I'm on a desktop right now, so it's a big screen. So once you go here, if you don't want it to be this little, if you want it to fit on the whole screen, then you would just go to click on this, and then you go to size and position, and you would lock it, horizontal lock all the way across the screen. And then these are gonna extend. Let me show you how it looks. It's going to look like this. So you want to bring this over and this over. So we're going to horizontal lock this over here and lock this over here. And then we're going to just add a blank canvas so that the web page is longer. And then once you go on the page, it should look like this. Okay? So that is how you can do this type of menu to stay on top. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.